Good afternoon, people. So today is September 16, and I want to say Happy Malaysia Day to everyone. And if you are active on social media and you've been following Bobby Ang's Aurizn or Evo Malaysia page, I'm sure you'll be aware that today they are organizing a Malaysia Day car meet for today, and me and a few of my friends are joining the car meet, and now we are heading to the rendezvous point at Traction Karting at X Park Sunway. So after we RV at the X Park, and then all of us, we will move together in a convoy probably, or maybe not, to our destination at what do you call that? Aurizn in Setia Alam. So here we are, and yeah, I think everyone is lining up. Guess I'll park behind a Mustang. So here we are at Traction Go-Kart in X Park, and it's just nice 3 o'clock our RV time, and you can see a lot of cars already here. So just quickly show everyone what cars are here today. And this is of course Bobby's Aston Martin. So the Malaysia Day car drive, they welcome all sort of cars regardless of brands or range. As long as you drive a car, everyone is welcome. And a lot of members are hiding over there. It was a cloudy morning, but turns out quite a sunny afternoon. Even Tesla joins us. So there are still a lot of cars over there, but it will be a very long walk, so I'll cut my walk around video short, and let's go. I think they are starting the briefing now. So the go-kart is over there. Yeah, Bobby is about to start his briefing now. So it's a very hot afternoon, and too many cars here. Everyone's stuck getting out. So I think it's a bit hard for us to convoy there, but I'll try to meet up with my 1 Series gang, and then we shall drive together over there. It's a short drive. It's about 20 minutes drive from here. Really impressed with the drop the top Mazda Miata under the hot sun. Yeah, bro. Yes, bro.
Yeah, I'm waiting at the front here.
Which side? Which side? You are following the big group, right?
Yeah, they're following the big group. buy parts here with the 4 series. So,
Oh, right in front of the custom. I'm passing through the custom gerbang now. Oh, I saw your car already. Okay, can go. Ui is in front of us, right?
yeah.
Ah, okay. So, yeah, managed to catch up with our 1 Series gang, and I think Gui, he used to be a 1 Series owner, but now he has upgraded to a 4 Series 430i. But he's still very active in joining us. Very nice car. So perhaps one day I would like to get a 2 doors coupe as well. Who knows? So the pro and cons of long convoy, a huge convoy, is that yeah, of course it's very happening, but the queue will be very long, and to park and also to leave the place will also take a lot of time. The two blues. Aurizn is just right after the Setia Alam Plus Highway exit. So we are here. So in front there's a super huge parking lot. A lot of cars are. So still a very long queue. I think we have waited for about 15 minutes because even here we are outside in the public, I mean outdoor. We still have to follow SOP, and we have to scan our temperature and also scan our My Sejahtera. Hello, scan already? Yeah, thank you.
Okay, here's the sticker.
Okay, thanks.
Flyer for you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So we are here and it's very crowded. We managed to gather together our 1 Series. A lot of cars here, too many cars in fact. The Audis are over there. Just quickly a walk through, but yeah, just quickly a walk through. Gang with the Chinese car registration plate, very funny. Surprisingly, the new F40 1 Series is here.